Okay, so I'm in a 2020 Volvo XC40, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to retrofit a crystal shifter. That's how it looks like. It came out of 2020 inscription, and this is our design. So I'm gonna do it first time. We'll see. So I'm assuming the panel has to be lifted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the trash bin just like that, and we'll see. I'm gonna try to lift this panel here. See? Okay. I just pulled something. I think it comes off. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try this tool. Okay. Let's see if the whole thing gonna come off. Maybe there's something under the rubber, under the pad. I don't see any screws, so I think all it is, I have to lift it. Okay, so this is easy. So the panel is off, and what we have is torque 25, looks like, 4 screws, and that's it, and the shifter will be out. So there's only one plug underneath, and yeah, I'm gonna remove these 4. Okay, so I got the torque. So this can be done on an Xc40, on any Xc40. We'll see if I will have to have the shifter programmed, but I'm assuming it's going to work right away. So this shifter is the same. They are both exactly the same on a Xc60 and Xc90. The crystal shifter is different, so I don't think this would work unless just the knob could be changed. So we will see if it is just plug and play. If somebody needs one, I think I have one more, so you can contact me at volvoproject.com. And what's nice is that it's a simple few minute job, so not unlike the older models. The replacing shifter involved much more work. So it's almost out. This shifter, when the other one be installed and everything would be working, of course I don't need it, so it would be listed on eBay, I think. So I'll just have it sold. The cable is very short. Wow, so the cable, the plug is very short or hooked somewhere. Okay, so I unplugged the original one. This is the R design one. So this is just the problem is that the cable is very short right here. I don't know why they made it like that, so it's kind of tricky. So now I'm going to plug in the new one, the crystal one, and then we will see. Okay, so I plugged in the new crystal shifter. I think I'm not gonna plug it in, screw it in first. I'm gonna test it. If it works, this is gonna be the first test. So I didn't start it yet, I just plugged it in. I'm gonna try to start the car. Okay, the car started. The shifter light up. I don't know if you can see, but there is a light inside the shifter. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, there's a light inside the crystal shifter. So it looks like, yeah, it looks like it works. You can see right there. This is reverse. I'm gonna go to drive, and then I'm gonna go to parking. Yeah, the shifter works fine. So it is a plug and play. If anybody needs one, just contact me at volvoproject.com. I should have one in stock. If not, I can get one. So yeah, easy and beautiful. Look at this. She's gonna love it. This is my wife's car, so she doesn't know I installed it now, so she is gonna be happy for sure. And I didn't know it lights up. So yeah, here's how to easily install a crystal shifter. I'm gonna put everything together now. So it took literally like, I don't know, 10 minutes most, and it's done. Okay, so I put back all the screws, so they're all tight. This is nice. I want one too, but I cannot install it on my Xc40, so unless I change it to Xc40. Okay, so all I did, I inserted the panel. I'm gonna push it in, and I think that's it. Yeah, I pushed it in from the front here and to the back right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna push the pad. This is the wireless charging pad. There's something not right over here, but okay, that should be, wait, that should go farther. Okay, yeah, so it's all done. That was the easiest retrofit I think I have ever done. Here we have a trash bin. Okay, all done. Wow, must be nice. Must be nice. So this shifter is gonna go on eBay. This is for our design. I mean, of our design, will fit any Xc40. So yeah, it doesn't need to be programmed. It's plug and play. And then this one is let's see, I'm gonna turn off the lights. Yeah, this one is lighted. Very nice, very nice. So she's gonna be happy. Okay, that would be all. If you need one, or you can contact me at volvoproject.com, and I will check if I have one at the time.